Senatorial candidates are now ramping up their campaign as the HNP visits Olongapo. They lay down some of their planned reforms while also hurling criticisms at other candidates. Dale De Vera has the full report.
Only 12 Senate seats are up for grabs in the May 13 elections. But the hugpong ng Pagbabago Party of presidential daughter Sara Duterte Carpio is endorsing 13 candidates. All 13 names are included in the sample ballots distributed during campaign sorties, and the COMELEC has warned of overvoting that may result in invalid votes. The presidential daughter, though, is leaving it to the public to choose among the hugpong candidates. But if it were really up to her,
kung ako pipili ng 12, track record, at pangalawa kung ano yung sinasabi niya na gagawin niya sa Senado para sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan. And then pangatlo, of course, yung pagsuporta niya sa administration ni President Duterte.
the candidates tried to woo the people in the rally. Ilocos Norte Governor Amy Marcos proposed extending the term limit of incumbent barangay officials to 6 years, while former political advisor to the President Francis Tolentino took a swipe at one candidate who said the country only needs an economist for it to prosper.
Pero yung isang komersyal na napanood ko, isang tao lang daw ang kailangan, ekonomista. Mariresolve na raw ang problema ng bansa. Hindi po totoo yun.
Former Senator Ramon Revilla Jr. meanwhile vented his resentment on being locked up in jail for alleged involvement in the pork barrel scam, while former Special Assistant to the President Christopher Bongos said he is pushing for malasakit centers for the marginalized. Go denied using government resources for the project. Go also shot back at critics over now viral photos of DPWH personnel allegedly putting up his posters.
Sino ba namang taong kandidato mag-uutos sa DPWH na maglalagay? So, common sense na po yun na wala pong mag-uutos sa DPWH na ilagay. You may ask the DPWH kung baka tinanggal po nila. Narinig ko parang sila po ang nagtatanggal ng mga tarpaulin para baklasin po lahat.
For News 5, Dale De Vera, We're One News.